Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pudding bread without an oven. We'll dive right into the process, starting with gathering your ingredients. This unique method uses a simple stovetop steamer, ensuring a wonderfully moist and tender loaf every time. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to achieve a delightful, homemade bread without ever turning on your oven. Let's get baking. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 small packet of instant vanilla pudding mix. For the wet components, have 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil ready. Finally, grab 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a small pinch of salt. These simple items will create magic. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, thoroughly combine your flour, sugar, pudding mix, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg, milk, and oil until smooth. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Avoid overmixing. Next, prepare your steaming pot by adding about 2 inches of water and placing a heat-safe rack inside. We're almost ready to cook. Carefully pour your pudding bread batter into a greased, heat-safe mold or loaf pan. Gently place this mold onto the rack inside your steaming pot. Cover the pot tightly and steam over medium heat for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. The bread is done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once cooked, remove it, let it cool completely, then slice and savor your delicious, oven-free pudding bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.